What's going on, guys? I'm gonna do another quick tutorial in the RS. I'm gonna tint the rear bumper reflectors. I got the pre-cut film off of Anchor Room for the reflectors, so I'm gonna show you just step by step how I go about doing it. I've done it on a few different cars that I've had. I think it makes the car look a little more sleek. Haven't gotten tinted windows yet or anything, but it's on the list, so figured we'll start here. So first off, obviously I just recommend cleaning them, spraying with some soapy water, wiping down with a microfiber, and then we'll get ready to go from there. All right, so next up, the things you're gonna need, just a bottle of soapy water. I have a felt covered squeegee. Just helps not scratch the foam as much. Microfiber towel, the tint film itself, and then if you choose to use some gloves so you don't get your hand oils and stuff like that around, or so it doesn't stick to your hands easy. So let's get started. Going to spray the tint film as well as the lens itself. It's a little easier so it doesn't stick. So get that all soaked up good. All right, next up we're just gonna work it with a blow dryer and the squeegee, and we're gonna work all the water out.